I finally found an affordable dupe to the viral digital toaster. It has an LCD screen that displays all of your options and gives you a countdown. You can choose from 6 types of bread like bagels or English muffins and 7 shades of toast so they can be toasted to perfection.
Amazon kitchen bestsellers. And this cool gadget is a magnetic self-stirring mug that evenly mixes liquids and powders together like instant coffee and hot chocolate. I love that it comes with a spill-proof lid that keeps your beverage hot, is waterproof for cleaning, and is rechargeable.
This 40-piece food storage container set is new to Amazon. The entire set is stackable, 100% leak-proof, and BPA-free. I like storing the lids in this adjustable organizer, or if you have limited space, just keep the lids on and store inside. This entire set is under $25.
Amazon home gadgets I love. This tray and soap set for your kitchen includes a pump for your hand soap, a scrub brush, 2 sponges, and a pump for your dish soap. There's also drains at the bottom so you don't have to worry about water or product buildup. And this 4-in-1 colander is the ultimate kitchen gadget. The colander is removable so you can use the base as a serving bowl. It's great for cleaning your fruits and veggies, straining and transferring pasta, and it also includes attachments for grating and slicing.
Come stock my brand new fridge with me. I am so excited about this purchase. Currently, the hole that the fridge is supposed to go into is getting repaired, so it's in the middle of my kitchen, but that is kind of my life right now. So we're starting with washing the fruit and veggies. I used my salad spinner to get everything nice and clean, and then I got these brand new containers on Amazon that I'm so excited for. I've been eyeing these, but they didn't fit in my last fridge. Our last house was a rental while this house got finished, and the fridge was tiny. So I'm really excited about these. They're basically drawers for fruit and veggies. After everything dried, I put them in there, and they are such good quality. Our fridge with 2 kids can get destroyed, so having these acrylic containers to kind of section everything off really helps. And of course, we have to have our caffeination stash. There's a lot of things about this fridge I'm really excited for, but the thing I'm the most excited about is definitely the snack drawer. I love the adjustable compartments in it. It will be so much more functional for snacks and things for the kids to grab. And then for now, I'm going to hide some of my favorites in the middle section because it's not going to be as easy for them to reach. Tell me why this is so satisfying to organize. I don't know. Whoever came up with spinning containers is an actual genius. I love those for condiments. Now she's all stocked, looking good, and ready to go.
Must have Amazon Home Find. You may already have a nightstand, but does it have a built-in refrigerator? Well, this one does, and it also has motion-censored lighting, a dual wireless charging pad, cord catcher with 6 different cable ports, tons of storage space, and built-in Bluetooth speakers. I love having cold drinks and snacks within reach from my bed, and its stylish, modern design.
These stackable shoe organizers assemble in a few steps. The boxes are large enough to fit all different types of shoes and shoe sizes. Vents on the sides keep air circulating for no odors. They come in different tier sizes and they fold down when not in use. These are a great option to declutter entryways as well as closets.